Hello students, I am Isha madam. In previous video we already discussed about the different type of position of the ovary so that we can differentiate between the flower, that is hypogynous, perigynous and epigynous. Today we will going to discuss about the androecium. So androecium is the male part of a flower. Stamenoid flower means sterile stamen. Sterile stamens means there is no formation of pollen grains. The flower which are stamenod, they are known as sterile flowers. Stamens are of two types, epipetalous and epiphyllous. What is the difference between the epipetalous and the epiphyllous? The meaning of epipetalous: when the stamens are attached to the petal. The petal, and when the stamen is attached to the petal, that flower is known as the epiphyllous flower. Epipetalous flower and epiphyllous flower when the stamen is attached to the parent. Here the parent is the new word. What is the meaning of parent? Important question. What is parent? Parent when there is no differentiation between the calyx and the corolla. For example, lily. In lily there is no differentiation between the calyx and the corolla. The word is known as the parent. Now, monoadelphous. What is the meaning of monoadelphous? Stamen may be united into one branch on one bundle is known as monoadelphous. You can see in China rose, all the stamen are attached to a single tube-like structure. That type of flower is known as the monoadelphous. Diadelphous. When diadelphous means when stamens are attached in two bundles, they are known as the diadelphous. Like in pea plant. In pea plant, 9 plus 1. 9 are attached in one bundle and the one is single, that is free. So this condition is known as the diadelphous and the example is pea. Now polyadelphous, into more than two bundles. Like pea, we see here that two bundles of stamens are present. When there are more than two bundles are present, then it is known as the polyadelphous flower. Example, citrus. Now polyandrous. Polyandrous when all the stamens remains free, they are not attached each other, that is known as the polyandrous flower. Now the female part of the flower, that is the gynoecium. Gynoecium is the female part. Gynoecium made of one or more carpel. Carpel, if we talk about a carpel, carpel has three parts. The lower swollen part is known as the ovary, which contain ovule. The tube-like structured part is known as style, and the upper part is known as stigma. According to the position, they are of two type, or the attachment, they are of two type, apocarpus and syncarpus. Apo means free. When all the carpels are free, they are known as the apocarpus condition. Example, lotus and rose. While in syncarpus, syn means joint or combined. They are known as syncarpus. Syn means joint. Carpus means carpel. Ovule make seed. Another important question. Ovule convert into seed and ovary convert into fruit after fertilization. Now placentation. Placentation are of 5 types. What is the meaning of placentation? Arrangement of ovule within the ovary. How ovules are arranged in a ovary is known as placentation. We can see different type of placentation. Number 1, marginal. This is found in the pea plant. What is marginal placentation? Placenta form a ridge arrangement a ridge along the ventral suture of ovary, and ovules are born on this ridge, forming 2 rows. This is known as marginal. You can see marginal, all the ovules are arranged on a single suture. Now, axial presentation. Placentation is axial and ovule are attached to it in a multilocular ovary. 1, 2 and 3. You can see 3 locule here and all has ovules. So this is found in the tomato, lemon and China rose. Now, parietal presentation. Ovules are attached to the periphery of the ovary. Ovules develop on the inner wall of ovary. That is known as the parietal presentation. Ovary is one chamber. You can see all the ovules are present in one chamber. Now, free central. In free central presentation, ovules are born on central axis and septa are absent. There is no septa in this type of presentation. Example, dianthus and primrose. Now, basal presentation. What is the meaning of basal presentation? Placenta develop at base of ovary and single ovule is attached. The main point is single ovule is attached to it. For example, sunflower and marigold. Now, fruit. The mature or ripened ovary is called fruit. The definition of fruit, or we can say fruit is the ripened or the matured ovary. Now, parthenocarpic fruit. What is the meaning of parthenocarpic fruits? Fruits formed without fertilization. The important word is without fertilization. So this is the fruit. Fruit, mature or ripened ovary, and when fruit are formed without fertilization, then it is known as the parthenocarpic fruit. Fruit has pericarp or the wall of the fruit, and it has seeds. Wall. Dry fruit. According to the wall, fruit are of 2 types, dry fruit and fleshy fruit. Fleshy fruit has 3 in fleshy fruits, pericarp is divided into 3 parts. Number 1, epicarp, it is the outer, mesocarp, it is the middle, and endocarp, it is the innermost wall. You can see here the diagram of fruit. In a mango fruit, the rind is the epicarp. The mesocarp we eat, seed, and the endocarp. Endocarp is attached to this part of seed. We eat mesocarp in mangoes. In coconut, here is the endocarp and the inner is known as seed. Develop from monocarpellary superior ovaries and are one-seeded. In mango, the pericarp is well differentiated into outer thin epicarp, middle fleshy mesocarp, and inner stony endocarp. In coconut, mesocarp is fibrous. Very important question. In coconut, mesocarp is fibrous. Now, seed. How seeds are formed? Seeds, ovule, convert into seed after fertilization. The main point that ovule convert into seed is after fertilization, and ovary convert into fruit. Now, seed has 2 parts, outer seed coat and the inner is embryo. Embryo made up of radicle, embryonal axis and cotyledon. If one cotyledon is present, it is known as the monocot, and if there are two cotyledons, then it is known as the dicot. Now, structure of dicot seed. In a dicot seed, the upper part is known as the plumule, which form the shoot or stem. Radicle forms the root, or the lower part forms the root, and the cotyledon form the leaves. This is the structure of dicotyledon seed. Important. You can see the seed of a gram, helium, micropyle, and the outer layering is known as the seed coat. Outer covering, seed coat, is testa, and inner covering is known as tegmen. The outer covering is testa and the inner one is tegmen. What is the function of hilum? Hilum, here on the seed coat, though which the developing seed were attached to the fruit. At the place from where seed is attached to the fruit, that part is known as hilum. Cotyledons. Cotyledons, reserve food material. Cotyledons store, or we can say reserve food material. If there is reserve food material present, then it is endospermic fruit, and endospermic fruit, endosperm present albuminous seeds, for example bean, gram, and non-endospermic seed, endosperm is absent, non-albuminous seed, example carrot. Thank you, class.